Alright everybody, today in this video I'm going to show you a neat little trick you can do with two fidget spinners, just like this. So, basically, what you want to do is I'm on top, and yeah. Now you might be wondering, okay, fidget spinners. Yeah, the fad that literally everyone has to have. But the trick is, what you just saw. And you saw him spinning one clockwise and another counterclockwise. Looks kinda neat. And yeah. It looks kind of better with the gold one on top, but just my opinion. But yeah, you can see I have a red one and a gold one. But yeah, fidget spinners are pretty cool, and everyone should pick one up. Basically, yeah. Alright, fidget spinners are really cool. So, we'll end the video with these spinning.